So, what is negotiability of a commercial instrument and why is that important? Negotiability generally means that the commercial instrument meets certain requirements that we'll talk about in a different video, but it allows a holder to transfer the instrument under certain conditions to another holder. Okay, so the recipient of the transfer can also be a holder of the instrument as well. If it's not validly negotiated, then the recipient is a transferee and not a holder. Okay. And the holder can also, pursuant to the negotiation under certain conditions, elevate their status to a holder in due course, which we'll talk about as well in the different sections. But the purpose of an instrument being negotiable in this manner, that is, it can be traded like this and the rights of the recipient can be elevated above that of the transferor, is that a negotiable instrument has a higher right or greater right to payment. It's not subject to the same level of defenses as a non-negotiable instrument. It's more liquid. Okay. So the holder has more certainty that they can enforce their rights in the instrument. They can more easily trade that instrument to somebody else and redeem the value of the instrument if they're not presenting it to the payor for payment. So the increased liquidity makes it more valuable to the holder. If the instrument is not negotiable, it is subject to greater defenses. It is not as easily transferred or traded. It is not as easily redeemed for value. So it is worth less. Anyway, for a negotiable instrument, okay, for commercial paper to be a negotiable instrument increases the value. It makes it more useful to the parties. So this is why it's important.